welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my new video. So in this video I want to show you how you can make money on this app known as Baza. So Baza is a social media app where you can create content and get paid for your content or for the number of views that you get. Okay, so the number of views that will be qualified for payment or the specific niche that you should focus on. Okay, so this is the interface. This is how everything looks like. So this is my own account. It has been there for a while. You can see this person over here. You can see the name, and I can follow. You can see the number of comments and views. You can see the person posted this video 2 days ago, and you can also see translation. You can translate. Okay, so if it is written in another language, you can translate to the language that you can simply understand. Okay, so we have different people. You can even verify your account. You can see this guy here is having a verified, sorry about that, a verified account. You can see, and the most important niche to post or to concentrate on is football. If you want to get more views, post about football or games. Okay, but mostly concentrate on football. Okay guys, so you can see this guy posted like this one 5 days ago. He has like 1k views and some 502 comments plus 2 shares. So this is a Baza fan official page. You can see, so it is real, it works, people make money from it, and you can too. Okay, so you can follow people, you can follow the accounts that you like. Okay, so you can search what you want to maybe watch or what you are interested in over here, and again you can plus, you see this plus sign over here, you can post content using the plus button, and here you can get notifications, and right here you'll be able to access your account. Okay, so registration is so simple, it's so simple. You can go ahead, use the link on the description or comment section. I'm gonna put the link there. Make sure you watch the video until the end to understand the whole process. Then after that, create an account and verify your email. Okay, it's so simple as that. So if you click on the plus button, you'll be able to see different options. Okay, my camera, it's dark, the window is closed. Okay, this is my sister's room. Okay, so you can see right here, you can right here you can record live video, or you can go ahead and select pictures. You can post this you can post a story, you can post reel, but if you can post reel, the better. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so notifications, you'll be able to see the notifications, and anytime you you open this app, they will reward you 1 coin. So this coin, it has, okay, Baza coin is the coin for the official app Baza. So they have coin, and of which they are planning to list the coin, and you can see the price of the coin as I speak now. You can see the price of the coin itself. It is $0.057. You can see it has a green to mean that it has increased for the last 24 hours. So you can see people who wish who wants me to follow them. You can see I have people that I want to follow. They have followed me, so I should follow them back. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on follow to grow my Baza account. You see all these people, they have followed me. I can go ahead and check on their accounts. Okay, so I can also go ahead and follow them. Okay, you can see the price of the coin, and something good about it is you can withdraw the coins. You can withdraw as little as $10. So long as you've reached a minimum of $10, you can withdraw okay, real cash. It works, it's real, and it's still paying, okay. And or you can keep it until they launch the they list the app, they launch the app, and again they list the coin, whereby you'll be able to sell your own at that price of that at that time, okay. So let us go to my account to show you something, guys. So you can see my account. I have only 2 posts, 65 followers, 69 following. You can see I haven't done much, but I'm having around $2.85 from this. And you can see the points that I have. I have around 145 points, that is 7.25 USD. So let me talk about this, the points, okay. So these points, I'll be able to sell them the time they list the coin. So let us go through some things. You can send, I can share with somebody who also have the Baza app. I can share. You can see means of earning. You can see phase 2 app points. Collect points now and receive a 50% bonus when converting them to crypto before this phase ends, okay. Okay, so this is phase 3 app crypto wallet, okay. So February 1st 2026, all existing users will receive a 30% coin bonus before the official coin sale begins, okay. That is 1st February 2026, okay. So if you're watching this video, make sure you register for an account, start collecting points, so that by the time you receive 30% coins bonus, okay. And also we have phase 4, that is pre-sale on the sex sex, you know. If you do crypto, you know what I talk about. All existing users will receive 30% coin bonus before the official coin sale begins, okay. That will be on March 1st 2026. Then phase 5, sex listing, the coin will be listed, okay. All existing users will receive a 30% coins bonus before the official coin sales begin. So you better grab these coins or points. So anytime you open the app for 60 seconds, you'll get 1 point, okay. You see, you can get 1 point, and immediately you register using the link on the description, you're gonna get free 100 points, okay. It's that simple. Yeah, so if you click on this button earn, you'll be able to see different ways of earning, like spend 60 seconds in the app and 1 point, as I said earlier. Then spend 5 minutes in the app and 100 for the first time, okay. That is for the first time when you open an account. Then refer a friend and earn 1 point per registration. So guys, I think that is so clear. It's so clear. So we have social and points. So the points are the one I've explained so well, and the social, the ones I've also explained. So on under social, I'm having around $2.85, okay. You can see 10 views and other things, because I've been not that active. But guys, they pay. You can see reels, they pay like this person has made some good. I know he has made some good, at least better, because if they pay 10 cents per 1k view, so this guy is having 16k, okay. So let's see, let's do some calculations. Let's do some calculations. This guy is having, okay, they pay this per 1000 view. Then this guy is having 60k, so the guy has made $1.6. So you can imagine, if you are having 160k, that is $60. 16. Yeah, it's small, but again, it's not that small, because it's something you're making for free, just posting a content of maybe 30 seconds or 60 seconds, okay. So why not join as early as now, make some cash out of, like, from this app. It's so simple to use, it's so simple, it doesn't need much of your time. just post a video of or a reel of 60 seconds, and that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.